Hi everyone, my name's Rob. I'm the sales manager here at AEV Porsche and Prestige. We have an exceptional car to show you today, a real stunner with all the right factory build options. This is the Porsche 911-991 Generation 2 GT3. It's the 4-litre 6-speed manual transmission finished in this beautiful Miami blue. The stats on the car are 500 brake horsepower, 0 to 62 in just 3.9 seconds and has a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The car was registered in November 17, a 67 reg, and has covered just under 450 miles. As you would expect, this GT3 is in as new condition with all the benefits of the Porsche new car guarantee until November 2020. The build options on this car are second to none and total nearly £20,000 alone. Let me take you around the car in more detail and show you some of these wonderful features. So let's start with the alloy wheels. They are the 20-inch 911 GT3s. They're finished in satin black with a guard's red outer edge. A really nice contrast that you'll see continues through the interior theme of the car. As you see, the car has the Porsche Ceramic Composite Braking system. The PCCB offers many benefits: a shorter braking distance, smoother braking on uneven road surfaces. They're 50% lighter than standard brakes on other models and last considerably longer. They're easily identified by the yellow painted calipers. Now let's take a look at the front of the car, starting with the lights. It has the LED main headlights with the dark black rimmed lens and the PDLS, the Porsche Dynamic light system. Also has the heated headlight washer jet system finished in black. A big feature on this car is the front lift axle system. It's particularly useful on today's roads and maybe that hard to get on the driveway at home. This system raises the front end of the car by 40mm and keeps it raised up to a speed of 21 miles per hour. The front spoiler lip on the car is finished in black to match the air intake grills. A very stylish, sleek, no fuss finish to the front of this car, making this GT3 look very sporty. Now let's take a look at the back of the car. This is where the car really stands out from the rest. The car has the twin chrome tailpipes that denotes the switchable sports exhaust system. Also has the black rear apron that matches the rest of the external trim on the car. And there's the Porsche GT3 model description there in black. The car has the darkened tail light lenses. The biggest standout feature on the car has to be the huge boot spoiler on the GT3, designed not only for its great aesthetic look, also for the performance and its superb handling of the car. And finally, you'll see these unique looking air intake grills that complete this truly stunning design of this fantastic sports car. Inside the car, the doors are finished in a mix of black leather with guards red stitching. The Alcantara is a really nice contrast that works exceptionally well, and the carbon trim completes this wonderful combination. As you climb into the car, you'll see that the car has the carbon GT3 door entry guard. Another big option on the car is the Clubsport package. You have the lightweight carbon bucket seats. They're finished in black leather and Alcantara with the contrasting guards red stitching. The guards red seatbelts really complement the black and red theme. Another nice finish to the seat. You'll see there the GT3 logo going through the centre of the chair, and the headrests are there embossed with the Porsche crest and the contrasting red stitching again. The steering wheel is also finished in Alcantara and has the 12 o'clock marker there. The carbon trim continues through the centre console. There's extended leather across the dash. The gear knob is also finished in Alcantara with the contrasting red stitch again. The carbon trim goes through the centre console. Switchable sports exhaust buttons there in sport mode. And the centre armrest is also finished in Alcantara, embossed with the Porsche crest. In the rear of the car, the carpets have the GT3 logo embroidered. And of course the roll cage part of the Clubsport package completes the interior of the car and its sporty finish. The navigation system on the car is very good and easy to use with the high definition large screen. The car has DAB stereo, jukebox, MP3 player, navigation map, different source options, telephone function, Bluetooth, onboard trip computer and Apple CarPlay. And as you can see, the finish to the gear knob and gaiter, finished in Alcantara. Then all your switchable sports system, sports buttons, sports exhaust. And there you see the car's covered just under the 450 miles there. As mentioned before, the extended leather with the contrasting stitch continues through the dashboard on the car. And the car has the sports chrono with the guard's red dials. Again, working very well with the theme of the black and red interior. So let's take one last look around the car. It's in absolutely fantastic condition, as new out of the showroom. Having driven the car myself, I can honestly say that it is something truly special and superseded all of my expectations. If you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to contact me here in the showroom. Please check our retail website, approvedusedvehicles.co.uk, to see all of our fantastic sports cars. We have live chat support on our website and an accurate finance calculator for PCP and HP quotations. You can even submit your finance application there as well. We're also pleased to be working with WarrantyWise, one of the UK's leading warranty specialists. And if you'd like to see our stock as it arrives, then please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.